Mommy, happy Mother's Day.
Medyo mabigat, Mami, ha?
Salamat, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Yes po. Bye-bye. Ayan. So, 1 out of 100. I'm so happy. Namimigay kasi kami ng gift pack sa ating mga nanay. Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you po. Ayan.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Mabigat ha.
Happy Mother's Day.
This year, for Mother's Day, mag-iikot tayo para mabigay ng mga gift pack, grocery gift packs para may pang-celebrate sila for Mother's Day. So, iloload lang natin to tapos magdadrive na tayo around to give away ang ating grocery pack sa ating mga nanay. Let's go!